Number 59, graph the linear equation, and we've been given y equals negative 4x minus 5. Now, if you're told just to graph the linear equation and you're not given any specific method or told to use any specific method, you can choose however you want to graph this particular equation. So you can put your equation in y equals mx plus b if it's not in y equals mx plus b to begin with. You can choose to find your intercepts. You can create an xy table, choose either x's or y's, and then find the corresponding values. Anything you want to do. But in this case, with number 59, notice that the equation was given to us in y equals mx plus b. And if your equation is in y equals mx plus b, it's really easy to graph because all you have to do is first graph your b, which is the y-intercept. So we are going to plot this point first. So in this case, 0, negative 5. And before I do that, I'm going to go ahead and label my x-axis, my y-axis, and 0, negative 5. We always start at the origin. The 0 tells us we're not moving left or right any, but we are going to go down 5 units. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, that was negative 5. And then once you've plotted your intercept, your y-intercept, you're going to use the slope, this is your m, to find the next point. So notice in this case, our slope is negative 4, and we can put that over 1 so that we can see the rise over run bit, right? And sometimes that's helpful. Notice in this case, our slope is negative. So this is telling us to go down 4 units and then to the right 1 unit. Well, notice here on our graph, if we were to go down 4 units and right 1, we'd be off the graph, wouldn't we? Which, depending on if you're given a graph or you're drawing your own, may not be a problem. But if you're given a finite amount of space, you may want to, instead of going down 4 units and to the right 1 unit, we can reverse this, meaning we're going to go up 4 units and to the left 1. All right, so I reversed both of my directions. Instead of going down and to the right, I'm now going up and to the left. So we're going to go up 4 units, 1, 2, 3, 4, and to the left 1 unit. So right there. And now that we have our 2 points, you're going to do your best to connect these with a line that is much better than that. I'm doing this freehand on a tablet, so it's hard to do. But at any rate, you get the point here. So you'll want to use either a ruler or your student ID or some other straight edge to connect your 2 points. But again, the point is, if you've been given your equation in y equals mx plus b, plot the y-intercept first. That's that blue, the blue point here, and that comes right from the equation. From there, you want to use your slope to get the next point, and once you have 2 points, all you need is to connect those 2 points, and you've got yourself a line. So there's number 59. We graphed the equation y equals negative 4x minus 5.